Hey everyone, it's Multia Bezic back with another video. Today we're diving into a topic close to many of our hearts, natural remedies and cancer. I'm not giving medical advice, but I want to empower you with knowledge about natural substances and lifestyle choices. We'll explore the potential benefits of these remedies and how they might complement traditional cancer treatments. Remember to consult with your healthcare team before making any changes. So let's get started.
Black seed oil, derived from the Nigella sativa plant, has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Studies suggest this oil possesses anti-cancer properties, potentially inhibiting certain cancer cells. It's also known for its immune-boosting effects, helping your body's defenses stay strong. Plus, its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties protect your cells from damage.
As a cancer survivor, I've tried many things to support my health. Natural remedies played a big part in my journey. They didn't replace treatments, but they helped me feel better and stay strong. It's about finding what works and keeping your doctors in the loop.
You've probably heard of turmeric, the spice that gives curry its vibrant yellow color. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with remarkable anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties make turmeric a valuable addition to a healthy diet, and research suggests curcumin may enhance chemotherapy effectiveness. Now that's something to be excited about. Chapter 3. Green Tea. Sip your way to better health. Who doesn't love a warm cup of green tea? This popular beverage is packed with antioxidants called catechins, which are linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers. Catechins protect your cells from damage by harmful free radicals. Regular green tea consumption with a healthy lifestyle supports overall health during cancer treatment.
Chapter 4. Garlic, a pungent powerhouse. Garlic, a staple in many cuisines worldwide, is more than just a flavor enhancer. It contains allicin, responsible for garlic's aroma and health benefits. Allicin has anti-cancer properties, potentially slowing cancer cell growth. Garlic's immune-boosting and anti-inflammatory effects support your body's defenses. Chapter 5. Ginger soothing nausea and more. Ginger soothes nausea, a common chemotherapy side effect. This versatile root offers more. It contains anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds. Research suggests ginger may have anti-cancer properties. Chapter 6. Vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D is called the sunshine vitamin because our bodies produce it in response to sunlight. This vitamin plays a crucial role in cell growth and immune regulation. Maintaining adequate vitamin D levels is essential for health and may help prevent cancer. Talk to your doctor about getting your vitamin D levels checked and if supplementation is right for you. Chapter 7. Omega-3. Fatty acids fueling your body's defenses. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential fats our bodies need but cannot produce. We must obtain them through diet or supplementation. These fats have anti-inflammatory properties, reducing chronic inflammation. Omega-3 fatty acids also support a healthy immune system, crucial during cancer treatment.
Chapter 8. Adopt a plant-based diet nourishing your body from the inside out. A diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins can work wonders for your health. Fruits and vegetables are packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. Whole grains provide fiber for digestive health, and lean proteins help maintain muscle mass.
Chapter 9. Engage in regular physical activity. Move your body, strengthen your spirit. Exercise is good for us, but did you know it can aid in cancer recovery? Physical activity reduces cancer recurrence risk, improves circulation, and boosts mood. Gentle exercises like walking, yoga, or swimming can make a difference. Consult your doctor before starting any new exercise program.
Chapter 10. Finding your inner calm. Chronic stress takes a toll on our well-being. It weakens the immune system, making us more susceptible to illness. Managing stress is essential, especially during cancer treatment. Practices like meditation, deep breathing, and spending time in nature can calm the mind and promote peace. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of natural remedies and lifestyle choices that may complement your cancer treatment journey. Knowledge is power, and understanding these remedies can help you make informed decisions about your health. Always consult with your healthcare team before incorporating new remedies into your treatment plan.